A day in BGC. I legit think this is the Shibuya crossing of the Philippines. Shopping at BGC. It's been a while since I've last commuted, and it's actually my first time to commute to BGC. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I just want to preface this vlog by saying I don't mean to offend anyone na nakatira sa BGC or anyone who likes BGC. This is just my experience. Take it lightly and enjoy the vlog. We're here at BGC. Hindi ko din alam bakit, pero actually we're in High Street at tinulungan ko lang si Val sa errands niya dito sa Manila, and sumama na ako kasi I'm bored with my life. A day in BGC, Provinciano edition. I don't know if you can see, pero we're at fully booked. Syempre, Matic, ito yung una nating pupuntahan dito. So, say hi to Val. Alam ko, madami-daming shopping na naman ang magaganap dito. Let's go. First stop, fully booked. Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. Across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel far. Guess sinong nabawalan sa fully book? It's me. So ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga comments sa last video. So shoutout kay Miko, Calvin, Renz, Jamela, Gabe, Eric, Benedict, Giselle, Julian, Rolly, Hannah, Ezekiel, Marjoline, Chris, Da, Bricks, Els, Nicole, Glenn, and lastly kay Ignite. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout sa next video, mag-comment lang kayo down below ng BGC. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Kahit nabawalan, syempre, ano ba? Kumayo-dayo ako dito, hindi ko i-film, ano ba? Naglolokohan ba tayo dito? And syempre, we got the goods. Ito lang talaga pinunta ko sa BGC. Ang tagal ko lang pangarap na pumunta doon. Pero nasira lang nung ni Kuya Guard. Malaman-laman ko, pwede naman pala. Ang story kasi dito, binawalan ako agad ng guard na mag-video. And sinabi niya, bawal mag-video and mag-picture sa loob. Parang nagtataka ako kasi most people nga pumupunta doon sa fully booked branch na yun para doon sa malaking mural para mag-picture, diba? So, I don't know. Ako lang yung binawalan ng guard. Hindi kami nakapag-film doon masyado kasi the guard was following us. I don't know. Mukha ba kaming sindikato? Most of the time na nandun kami, sinusundan niya kami. Ewan ko, it's so weird. Upon checking, kasi nagtanong ako sa counter and dun sa customer service, if pwede mag-video and mag-picture doon sa mural. Sabi nila, pwede naman po. Sabi nila, yun nga po yung pinupuntahan dito, sabi ng customer service. So, I don't know anong problema ng guard sa amin, pero the reality of BGC, it's nakakapagod kasi puro lakad. We ended up going to Denny's instead. I hate it here. Everything's so expensive. It looks promising. Grabe sa Olive Garden. I didn't expect it to be that expensive. Parang 800 isang meal. At least dito, 400, ganun lang. NYC Salisbury, cheesy penne, this one. Pwede ba kaming order ng side ng fries? Thank you. Grabe, this is so draining. Ang draining naman dito. Parang everything is happening so fast. Before tayo kumain, I just want to do a haul of everything that I got from Fully Booked. Ayan siya. So I only bought 2 books kasi medyo na-off ako talaga. First book that I got is actually the new Riley Sager book. It's Middle of the Night. I'm so excited to get back into Riley Sager's writing kasi medyo nagpahinga ako. Parang hindi na healthy sa akin na puro mystery thrillers yung binabasa ko. So I'm glad na meron siyang bagong book I can read. Next book that I got, I've been seeing this on Book Talk. Naka-sale siya, kaya I got it. It's Feeling Falling in Love. I think this is a queer novel, if I'm not mistaken. Naka 50% off siya. It's a hardbound copy. Parang 400 pesos ko na lang din siya nakuha. That's everything that I got from Fully Booked. And si Val, bumili siya ng Smisky. Hindi ko alam na gusto niya pala yun. Ayan, here's her food. Thank you.
Order's complete po. Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you. This is our food. I ordered lang ng NYC Salisbury steak,
We ordered hati kami ni Val dito sa parang mac and cheese nila. And siya crispy pork something. And a side of fries. Manganta mo.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So and we're done eating here at Denny's. I highly recommend you try it. It's so good. It's actually really good for the price. Next, we're going to SM Aura. Kasi doon kami magsha-shopping talaga. I like it here. We'll definitely go back, pero Pampanga branch na.
Lost in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Yo, SM Aura! Actually, first time namin ni Val pumunta ng SM Aura. So, I don't really know what to expect, pero we're just gonna buy makeup. Yun lang naman binibili namin lagi. Wow, this SM's nice. Grabe. Bungad agad, oh. Bershka. Ayan na yung look. Bungad ang look. Ayan, oh. Yan lang naman ang goal namin. Andiyan na siya. Yan, we're here. Mommy drunk elephant. Yes, that's our therapy. Hi, Jom. CeraVe. This one ba yung nakapat? O yung ganito?
Yung nakapat.
Alam mo na yung shade mo?
Hindi pa. Pero si Ginger daw.
Ma'am, sorry si Ginger, ma'am. Sold out tayo. Meron tayo, ma'am. Dito sa Radiant Creamy lang.
Val is currently looking for pot concealers ng NARS. Wala daw nung shade ni Tin, sorry. Okay, mission failed. Mayroon akong gusto dito. Yung face palette nila. Do they have it? All in one to ba? May concealer na, may blush na, may highlight pa, may bronzer, contour, concealer, foundation. Anong price nito ngayon?
5,000, sir. Nasa 5,000.
5,000 flat o 5,000 plus? Thank you po. Mahal niya. Thank you. So, 5,000 plus siya eh. Real Techniques. Uy.
1, 2? Or
1, 2. Pwede na.
1 to siya lahat? Mag-real techniques na ako.
Oh,
I'm buying this right now.
Kasi yung binibili ko 400 na eh.
Ba? Hindi ba siya different conversion ng pera? 1 to
Oo
talaga.
nga, baka $1,200.
Hindi talaga.
Hindi. Ay, ang cute. These are cute.
Check ko nga ito.
600.
Ito yung price.
Kaya nga eh. Ito na lang. This one na lang ako. I'm overwhelmed. I can see so many things. This one is nice din daw. What's the price?
NARS spot.
Kung may shade ka, yun ang sign kung may shade ka. Pero kung wala, wag. Sold separately din pala to.
Yun ba naman yung
siya
favorite?
maganda. Dito hindi ko pinili. Ayan, easy. Ay, pag pumupunta kami Manila, no, laging makeup. Nagustuhan ko nga si Playdate kasi gusto ko pa na. Si Jam? Di ba siya dark? How much to ngayon natin? Thank you. I'm not good. Bumili na ako nitong perfume ko. I'm gonna gatekeep it kasi ito talaga yung ginagamit ko ever since and ang daming compliments na to. I'm gonna gatekeep. Mas mura siya dito kaysa dun sa pinagbilan ko dito sa BGC. Dito sa babe. It's much cheaper dito so I'm gonna buy it here. Dun sa Pampanga meron naman 7,999. So 7,250 dito. So I'm gonna buy it here.
Flower bag eh.
Oo nga naman, kuya.
Ano yung difference ng price nila?
Makeup by Mario.
740. Ito, 44. Ilang ml to?
100. Kaya nga, wala na nung blush. Oh, yan na yun. Silang Sol de Janeiro.
Meron po, kaso nag-iisa na lang din yung stock na yan. Pero meron siya before ng mga mist.
Thank you po.
Mas laki tayong basket, ma'am. Gusto niyo niyo ba, ma?
Hindi na po.
Hindi na.
Kasya na yan. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Be, minsan lang tayo nasa BGC.
Minsan, talaga nung isang time, nag-shopping ko lang tayo sa SM North.
Hindi, bibilin din kasi natin yan eventually. Ako bibilin ko siya eventually.
Kung hindi lang kasi kasama.
Eh, pinapabili mo kay Jom eh. Ayan yung dupe nung pabango ni Jom. Nung sa akin. Alam mo masasabi ko sis. Deserve natin to. Shopping at BGC. Hindi ko alam kung BGC ba to, pero go. Hindi kasi sulit na yung super nag-justify. Pero sulit na yung brush. Kasi 1-2 lang yung brush. Kasi yung binibili ko, yung ang isa, 400 na. Eh dyan, magkano yung akin, 500, diba? Dalawa na. Sulit yung brush. Yung pabango, mas mura siya dito kaysa dun sa Pampanga na.
Yung binibili ko ba sa Pampanga, yun yung alam mo pinakamura.
Oo. Hindi, gamitin mo kasi makakakuha din.
Ano mangyayari? Dahil binudol mo ko, ay gusto
Kaya, meron ka din yan
baka sa akin.
We got the goods. Ayan na siya. Damage has been done. Uuwi na kami. Goodbye.
Wala nang magkakapit.
We're still here at the Look Studios kasi may free coffee and may table. I-unbox lang namin yung mga perfume na binili namin. Sige, pakita ko na sa inyo and feeling ko gegerahin nyo din ako sa comment. Valentino, Born in Roma, yung for men na Coral Fantasy. Yan yung pabango ko. Super bango nito. Ito yung most complimented kong pabango. What did you get?
I got whiskey.
Hindi talaga. Wait, there's more.
I got the flower bomb perfume.
Finally. We're gonna check.
Hindi ko lang itanong if may stock sila. Hindi ko lang alam na may stock sila.
Hahamon kasi siya kanina. Akala niya walang stock si kuya eh. Naglabas ng stock. Ayan yung itsura ng perfume. Nasa birthday wishlist ko eh. Wow! It's so
May flower bomb.
ayaw!
Ano ko spray? 20 pesos na.
Uy, wow!
Tapos pag tumatagal, bumabango siya. Tapos long lasting siya. Favorite perfume to retailer ng Red Era. Taylor Swift, guys.
Wow! Ang ganda. It's actually a good deal kasi nga minus 750 naman dahil dun sa parang promo nila with the app. Pakita ko na din pala yung pinili ko. Real Techniques na brush. Ito, gusto ko talaga tong blush brush na to. And mas mahal siya online so I just bought it here. Isi Solar Balm in the shade Jam. Drunk Elephant. Its original price is 1,100 pero dahil dun sa 750 off, 350 ko na lang siya nabili. Imagine, Drunk Elephant, 350 pesos.
I also got the Real Techniques.
Oh yeah, ito, nagulit kami dito. Kala namin mali yung pricing. As in, inulit-ulit namin itanong.
Budol by tin.
This one is already 500. Dapat ito din bibilin ko. Kaso hindi ko kasi gagamitin tong dalawa. That's everything that we got from Look. Kaya lang pinunta namin dito. Uwi na kami niyan. We're done here at SM Aura. Babalik na kami dun sa may high street to buy coffee. Kasi that's one thing that I personally really want to try. Yung mga cafe dito to see what the hype is about. A day in BGC. Gusto niyo yun? Ang bango namin. Ang fresh namin.
Hindi naman tayo bumango.
Alright, Corgi! Hi, baby! Iba talaga yung vibe. Like, look at this. This is so city vibe. Parang I can't.
May e-bike.
Ay, ba't may e-bike? Look at the dogs. They're so cute! Para silang Aussie na Corgi. Australian Shepherd Corgi. Clea, mga loko. Ay! Ito na yung screen. May cat.
Miss my cat.
May ginger cat. Nawala siya. Ayun siya. Whoa. Dang.
So tired.
I legit think this is the Shibuya crossing of the Philippines. Tignan nyo! There's Gentle Monster there. Ayan na, let's go!
Cross the road, and if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine? And if you could
na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi I legit fell asleep sa sofa. Kasi nagtanggal ako ng damit. Tapos, dapat maliligo ako. Nagtanggal ako ng damit. Tapos, nakatulog ako sa sofa. Pero, anyways, I'm gonna do a quick haul ng mga hindi ko pa pinakita. Yung mga hindi ko na na-vlog kasi yesterday I was really tired. As in, super pagod kagabi. Kaya, we went to Muji. Love going to Muji kasi parang it's very, very right up my alley. It's very my vibe yung Muji. I bought this slider zipper bag para lang kapag nagta-travel, ganun, nandito yung cash, IDs, passports, ganun. Very easy to bring. I also bought this one naman para naman sa mga cards, ganun. Ito pang mga travel brushes, cutter, blade, para pang open ko siya ng packages. Tapos, lastly, I bought this staple-free stapler. I don't know how this works. Nagulat nga ako sa presyo na to. This is like 400 pesos. I'm not gonna lie. I really enjoyed the day. I really enjoyed the day with Val. I didn't like the vibe there. For some reason, hindi ko gusto yung vibe ng BGC. I don't know kung nasanay lang ako dito sa Pampanga. Pero dito kasi sa Pampanga, walang pakialamanan. Although, we are known for being mayayabang yung mga taga Pampanga. Pero walang pakialamanan dito. Kahit anong suot mo, walang makikialam sa'yo. Pero, for some reason, sa BGC, we've been getting a lot of weird stares. Completely normal naman yung suot namin. Parang we're not really standing out, ganun. Maliban sa yellow kung sapatos tsaka bag. Pero I've been getting weird stares. Tapos yun parang most of the people there are so stuck up and so entitled. Parang ganun. Ay, grabe. Even eating sa Denny's, meron kaming nakasabay na lalaki na kumakain mag-isa. Tapos laging tingin ng tingin sa akin. Legit masama yung tingin. If tatanungin nyo ako kung saan ko prefer tumira dito sa province or doon, ay nako, dito 100%. I don't like it. I don't know how people do it kasi meron naman ako mga friends na taga BGC na nakatira sa condo, pero I don't know how they do it. Hindi ko siya babalik-balikan, if you get what I mean. Parang okay na siyang pinupuntahan lang every now and then yung BGC, pero to live there, I couldn't. Meron din kami nakasabay na couple sila. And yung girl, meron siyang Fendi baguette na bag. Eh, alam nyo naman ako, favorite kong brand yung Fendi. So, tinitingnan ko yung bag na, tapos sinasabi ko nga kay Val na, oh my gosh, I really like that bag, sabi ko. Tapos sinasabi ko, gusto ko din bilhin yun, kasi yung newer version na baguette yung meron siya. Gusto ko din bilhin yun someday. Tapos alam niyo ba, ginanyan ako. Ay, sabi ko, ala, pinupuri ko na nga yung bag mo, tas ganyan ka pa. Kung mabasa yung vibe ng mga tao doon. I don't know if you saw, nag-cafe kami sa Arabica. Pero kahit andun na kami, yung mga tao talaga, ano ginawa namin sa inyo? Parang, oh my gosh, I don't know if we stand out dahil taga-probinsya kami. Pero, grabe nag-rant na talaga ako. Kahit dito, sa look, when we were checking out, meron kami nakasabay sa pila, na naka-fake na Goyard. Hello, fake naman yung Goyard mo, pero yabang-yabang mo. Talagang binobroadcast niya, taga dito naman ako sa Taguig, bakit ganyan-ganyan? Ooh, what is the point? Whoa, wait lang. Oh my gosh, why are the people like that? I feel like I just had a bad experience kasi people really like BGC. Kung magagawin man ako doon, I would rather go to MOA na lang, ganon, or Trinoma, or even Green Hills. Mas gusto ko pa sa Green Hills kaysa sa BGC. I don't know if social climber sila, pero parang hindi eh. Hindi sila social climber kasi they're up there talaga. I would end the vlog here na kasi magra-run pa ako ng errand sa bank. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa day in a life in BGC kahit taga-probinsya ang kuya nyo. Pero anyways, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye!